welcome back. And if you want to join the group, just hit that like and subscribe, and it will help me. And yeah, and
I will be right back, okay? I will just.
when I was little, like 5 years old, 5 little years old, I literally pooped in my pants. I didn't know. I didn't see poop. I did not know poop. And then when I grabbed, it was literally this small, like this. This how wide and this is how small. It was a circle, a perfect circle. Okay. So I was about to eat this, but first sniff, and I go to my mama, and then I told him, "What is this?" And he said, "Poop." And then I throw it on the ground and I poo poo. And then
Oh,
when I poo poo, I know poop now. And yeah, bye. That is literally 1 minute and a half. See ya tomorrow.